So, hello everybody. Hello, it is 9th of April. Here is Harold Sites in Facebook Live. Of course, we will bring it also in YouTube after. You can see it on YouTube and the Karatbars channel. So I will wait sometimes for the people who comes in and see this new information, what I have for you in live. Okay, how many people we have? Huh? Okay, hello everybody. It's nice to meet you on this special day. You know, it is my birthday. But it doesn't matter, it's my birthday. I have to talk to you for a special thing. I have a news for you, but the first I will say thank you very much for your birthday wishes in Facebook, in the whole media. It's incredible. Thank you very much. You think of me, and I'm so happy to be a part of this organization. Of course, I'm the CEO, but so many people, they are excited what I prefer and what is my goal. I'm very excited that you are a part of Karatbars, KaratBank, and KaratPay. Okay, first I will announce, maybe you know, we have our new app online from Google. It was before, 2 months ago. And now also we have the Apple app here online. And you can download this app and you can use KaratPay now usually in the whole world. And I think it is exciting news for you, but some people, if you don't know, now you have this information. Okay, Karatbars, what is our goal in Karatbars? Our goal is bring the middle class people to the goal. And this makes sense. We don't know what is happened with the fiat currency. The fiat currency in the past, every 80 years, the fiat currency goes to bankrupt. But the interest and the interest is is the interest. And now we're looking for a new alternative payment system. And we have already done our payment system with KaratPay, KaratBank, and also our affiliate marketing system with Karatbars. And this is a great combination, ladies and gentlemen. You know, in 1971, is the dollar separate to the gold. Yeah? Richard Nixon talked about this, and the reason is one reason. It is one reason why the dollar from the gold is separate. This is in this time they have the war in Vietnam, and the reason is that they print the money for the war in Vietnam, and the gold goes separate from the dollar, and they have the possibility to can print and print and print. And that's also in the whole world, and in Africa, in the crisis areas, they print money, and you can buy weapon for this. And if we have the world currency gold, the world currency since 2,800 years is gold, the world currency. But if we use only the gold currency, they cannot print this money so fast, and in some area the war is not financed. And that's the reason why we do this. We help the people in the whole world. We have a value in the hand, and we help for the war that he not can use the money so fast. And I think it's a good idea it's my phone. Hello. It's live. Hello, I'm live in Facebook.
Schönen guten Tag,
Hallo.
hier Martin Geier.
Ah, Martin, ich muss Sie später wieder anrufen. Ich bin gerade live in Facebook, ja? Ich ruf dich gleich zurück, ja? Okay?
Gut, ciao.
Thank you. So, this is why I don't put my phone off silent, and that's it. Yeah, it's ringing. Okay, now, ladies and gentlemen, I have an announcement for you. The last 3 weeks we have our cash gold connected with the KaratBank coins. And we told you 10 million, if you reach 10 millions, you get the coin for 1 cent and 40% bonus. And it's still running. And you can buy, if you use the cash gold for the tokens, you can buy with KaratPay the tokens with 1 cent and 40% bonus. And that's for all countries that are allowed to pay for the tokens. Okay, that's for your memory. And now I have a great announcement for you in the end, and you will be excited. We have, ladies and gentlemen, we have already done sign up our new exchange. We sign up our exchange, ladies and gentlemen, and now we go on the exchange and 20th of April. It is great. It is excited. Yes, I'm so excited. Now the plan goes forward, and step by step we reach our goal. And I think we are all excited of this information, and I will talk about a little bit later. Now I go to my birthday's evening, or we go to the dinner, and I will have a good lunch. And my girlfriend, my wife, surprised me now in the evening, and I will see what is happened in the evening. I say thank you very much to listen me, and I hope you're also excited. And this was the new information from KaratBank, and see you soon, and have a good time. Thank you very much.